Welcome, kids! Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about how objects push and change shape during collisions.
Let's begin. What happens when two toy cars bump into each other? And the correct answer is letter B. They change direction. What happens to a balloon when you push on it? And the correct answer is letter C. It squishes and changes shape. Which of these objects changes shape when squeezed? And the correct answer is letter B, a sponge.
What happens when you press down on clay? And the correct answer is letter C. It changes shape. What can happen when two rubber balls collide? And the correct answer is letter A. They may bounce off each other. Which of the following objects changes shape when it is hit? And the correct answer is letter B, a pillow.
When you stretch a rubber band, what happens? And the correct answer is letter B, it becomes longer. If you squeeze a soft ball, what happens to it? And the correct answer is letter C, it changes shape. How does rolling a marble into a stack of blocks affect the stack? the correct answer is letter B. The stack of blocks might fall over.
What happens when you press on a pillow with your hand? And the correct answer is letter B. It changes shape. When you drop a rubber ball on the ground, what happens? And the correct answer is letter A. It bounces back up. If you push a box across the floor, what happens to the box? And the correct answer is letter B. It moves and changes position.
Ethan is pushing a sled across the snow. What will happen if he pushes harder? And the correct answer is letter A. The sled will move faster. When a small ball and a big ball hit the ground, what happens? And the correct answer is letter A. Both balls bounce. Benjamin drops a heavy book and a light pencil from the same height. Which one will hit the ground first? And the correct answer is letter A. The book.
Sophia is squashing a soft dough ball. What do you think will happen when she releases it? And the correct answer is letter C. The dough will return to its original shape. James rolls a soft ball and a hard ball down the same hill. Which ball will travel further? And the correct answer is letter B, the hard ball. Robert is pushing two cars. One is made of plastic and the other is made of metal. Which car will change its shape more or break when pushed and hits a wall? And the correct answer is letter A, the plastic car.
Mia is dropping a rubber ball and a glass ball from the same height. What do you think will happen? And the correct answer is letter A, the rubber ball will bounce. Lily is hitting a rubber band with a hammer. What will happen to the rubber band? And the correct answer is letter C. It will stretch. Emma is pushing a wooden block. What happens when she pushes harder? And the correct answer is letter A. The block moves faster.
Charlotte is hitting a soft rubber ball with a bat. What do you think will happen to the ball? And the correct answer is letter B. The ball will change shape and compress. Noah pushes a heavy cart and a light cart. Which cart will be easier to move? And the correct answer is letter B, the light cart. What happens when you press a soft clay ball and then stop pressing it? And the correct answer is letter A, the clay ball stays squished.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.